Hey y'all, welcome to MarineMax Sarasota, Florida. I'm Jeremiah Long and we are on board our brand new Aquila Molokai 28 Catamaran. Guys, there's only one bad thing right now. We're not physically in the water because honestly, cats are incredible. Standing at the back right here, you can see how big this platform is. Great handholds for coming out of the water. Really, for a dive and family platform, it's incredible. 225s. You might think at first for a 28-foot boat, that's light power. Beauty of cats. They're incredibly efficient. Look at the deck space between me and the camera. Fantastic prep area in the back behind the helm seat. Beautiful stainless for rod holders and grab rails all over your head. Guys, a wonderful, wonderful helm seat. Armrest, very comfortable bolster. And one of the things we did a quick option on is a helm pad down below your feet. That keeps the standing up at the helm all day as you guys are fishing, running from here to there, incredibly comfortable. This boat has dual screens, fusion stereo, VHF, engine monitor, push button switching, guys, tons and tons and tons. Not to mention the glass at the helm. They've done a great job with just a small vent at the top. Makes that glass really nice. The console on these, if you're looking for the bathroom, is a forward opening. Right, in this particular one, we do not have the bathroom. You can option it. We have our forward cushions, but you're going to take those off sometimes because this is an incredible place to fish or jump off the boat if you're into that sort of thing. These do have a windlass that you can run at the front, as well as great deck hatching for storage up here. Of course, that bolster, those grab rails, a huge hard top, and so much more. If you guys want to know really up close and personal why we love these 28 Molokais, I'm Jeremiah Long. Call us at MarineMax Sarasota.